Usborne Look inside your body, con più di 100 alete da aprire. È fantastico. Questi sono tutti gli argomenti che tratta. Quindi andiamo alla scoperta del nostro corpo. Ci sono aleti sotto le alete da aprire, guardate qua. Cioè, your skull protects your brain. È fatto da Dio. The bones in your knee move so you can bend and twist your leg. Con tantissime informazioni. Per un bimbo che vorrebbe diventare un dottore è, diciamo, il regalo più bello che si possa fare. Andare a vedere dentro il nostro corpo. Your ribs protect your lungs and your heart. Underneath your muscles are your bones. Your smallest bone is in your ear. Tantissime informazioni che neanche conoscevo. Ed è molto divertente. Andiamo. Eccoci qua. Eating food. You need to eat to stay alive. Food gives you energy, helps you grow and keeps you healthy. When you haven't eaten for a while, you feel hungry. This is because your stomach sends a signal to your brain saying that it's empty. Anche il figo. E ti dicono cosa dobbiamo mangiare in order to for the organs to work properly. These foods give you energy, and the other ones helps you grow. The eggs, the beans, fruits and vegetables keep you healthy. Andiamo a vedere dentro nello stomaco. Juices are added here to mash up your food even more. Then you eat something, your stomach pushes it out again and you vomit. You might feel a little sleepy after a big meal. When your tummy is full, your body puts all its effort into digesting your food. This can make you tired. Ancora. E poi si va in bagno addirittura, guardate. It takes about a day for the solid waste from your food to come out at the other end. Quanto è carino. Andiamo dentro nel torace. You breathe out enough air each day to fill about 10,000 balloons. Ne so qualcosa, perché ho gonfiato un sacco di palloncini per il compleanno di Davide. Guardate qua, approfondiamo. There is enough blood in your body to fill a bucket. Doctors and nurses can feel your blood moving by touching your wrists. This is called your pulse. It can also be felt at your neck. E guardate. Smoking cigarettes makes people very unhealthy. Damages the heart and lungs, and it can cause deadly diseases. Some people used to think that your feelings came from your heart. Guarda che carino. People probably thought this because your heart beats faster when you are scared or excited. But feelings actually come from your brain. Andiamo a vedere più in là. Your bones. Your hip joint quite flexible. The knee joint works like a hinge to move your calf up and down. Who has more bones, a child or a grown-up? A child. That's because some of your bones join up as you get older. Babies have 300 small bones. By the time you're grown up, you only have 206, but they are big ones. Un sacco di informazioni carine. Guardate. Your arm muscles work in pairs to pull your arm up and down. Biceps, triceps. About 50 muscles in your face. Lift the flaps to see what your muscles do when you frown and when you smile. Smile more. Your brain. Guardate qua. Memory team. When your body sends your brain a message, lots of different parts of your brain start talking to each other to decide what to do. Non so che dire, anche degli esercizi. Fantastico. Leave the flap to test your memory. Look at all these things for a few seconds, then close the flap and see how many you can remember. Your senses. You hear with your ears. When this sound hits your ear, it hits your eardrum and makes tiny parts buzz. This buzzing is turned into a message to brain, which goes to your brain. Really loud sounds can damage the ears, so people who work in noisy places have to protect them. Sight, your eyeball. Taste. You taste using things called taste buds. This is what they would look like if you blew them up really big. Salty, sweet, bitter, sour. Smell. You feel things with your skin. When you run your finger along this page, your nerve endings send a message to your brain saying it feels bumpy. Growing and healing. Before it's born, a baby grows inside its mother. It grows in here for about 9 months, after 2 months, after 4 months, and after 6 months. And at 9 months, it pops. It's ready to be born. What makes you sneeze?